make crispy egg bits that we add into popiah. These are the ingredients that we need. About 4 tablespoons plain flour, 1 whole egg, 2 tablespoons white sugar, about half a teaspoon ENO, half a teaspoon salt, about 3 to 4 tablespoons cool water. I'm going to show you how to mix the ingredient together. Slowly add in the flour. Blend it well until you get like this runny consistency. Add in half a teaspoon ENO. And it's ready for deep frying. You're going to deep fry the crispy egg beans using low heat. Just have to make sure the oil is hot enough. What we are going to do is we're going to drizzle it with a fork. Keep repeating this. Fry till it's golden brown. Use a sieve to drain off the excess oil. There it goes. Let me try. It's very tasty and crispy. Hope you enjoy.